We have a test.
We have a test? Why didn't no one tell me? Teacher, I can't take it.
Why? You're not talking.
I wasn't talking. Oopsie. Jason, I love your sunglasses. Can I try them on?
No.
Okay. Please?
No.
Please?
No.
Please? Okay, fine. Got your glasses.
I can't see.
Do I look good, guys? Joshua, do I look good? Do I look good? I'm blind. Fine, take them. Don't hurt me. I'm small. Don't laugh at me, guys. Stop.